Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in front of Darvis. Everybody calls it Darvis, but it looks like it's La Roche Darvis. And it's a residence a long time ago for a Jewish family. So they built this place, and now they've turned it into a museum. And this is it right here, Darvis. And we're gonna go take a look at this and see inside. It doesn't open until 10, so I got about 12 minutes to go. But I figure I'd show you the outside of this place, and it's pretty amazing. And so, yeah, very cool. And it overlooks the synagogue, which is over to the right across the river from us, and you can see the synagogue over there. But anyway, we're going into the house, the Darvis house. And so I'll take you inside and we'll see what we see. And it looks like they built an elevator in there too or something. I don't know for sure, but we'll go inside. It's a rainy, soggy day, so I'm looking for things to go inside with. Can you believe it? I'm going to the museum. Bye, everybody. Okay, everybody, I'm back. Casa Darvas-La Roche program. It opens at 10, and I'm here at 10. Wow, there's already people in here. And a bunch of kids, too, so this might get a little strange. We're going to do it anyway. Wow. Okay, I'm going to buy a ticket. I'll be back. Okay, so the lady told me it was $15 lei to get in, so it was really cheap. The lady said that if you go right, you're going to be dealing with all those kids. We don't want to deal with those kids, so we're going to go this way. And so this used to be somebody's house, so it's pretty amazing. Wow. And I think this is the tea room, she said. Yeah, look at the lamps. That's really cool too. I wonder if they're, what do they call those? Tiffany's? Yeah, Tiffany lamps. I doubt it, but cool. And it looks like it overlooks the street outside, which is cool. So yeah, very pretty. The Darvis house. And it was owned by, or built by an old Jewish family, I think. And let's see, she said if I go downstairs, there's an exhibition, but I don't know where that is. How you doing?
Page baro.
No, there's kids upstairs. So she told me to go this way.
No, bilet.
What? I have a ticket. Yeah. Thank you. So here's Darvis. Oh, no worries. No worries at all. Founder of modern lodge and industry in the biggest country. Okay. And I never have time to read all these things, so pause as you need to. Yeah. Wow, this is pretty too. Huh. Interesting lamp with a fern growing on it. Huh. Wow, look at this room. Oh my gosh. Huh. And the chair. So is this like an art thing or is this like real? I mean, you wouldn't come and sit here. I wouldn't think. And the purple lights behind the the thing, that's cool. Interesting. Huh. And the clouds around the light bulb, that's pretty amazing too. Huh. Wow. And all sorts of butterflies. Huh. Hey everybody. All right. Well, certainly interesting. Very cool. Okay. Maybe the lower levels are the art exhibitions or something, and no, not that way. Let's go downstairs. Downstairs?
Yes.
This way.
This way.
and then left. Okay, thank you. Mulțumesc.
With pleasure.
Huh?
With pleasure.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Pleasure.
Pleasure. Art Deco, okay.
Art Deco.
Huh. Okay. Wow, that's interesting. Huh. Look at these chairs, dude. That's certainly old-fashioned, huh? Huh. Yeah. Certainly old-fashioned, huh? Cute. And more Art Deco. Wow. Somebody's house. That's pretty amazing. Pretty neat house. And that's an interesting chair, both of them. And I like the little, what is that, like a makeup thing or an arm, not an armoire, I guess a makeup table. I think my mom has some of those chairs. I worked with a lady named Molly, and she loved Art Deco. Everything was Art Deco. Okay, I think that's it. Now upstairs? Kids?
Yes.
Okay, I think we're gonna have to deal with the kids. Unless I drag my feet a little bit more. Oh, what's in here? Oh, I guess this is the way to go upstairs. Wow. Huh. And again, lights with like plants growing off of them. And butterflies everywhere, or moths. Huh. That's really a pretty little room with the stained glass and everything else too. And gorgeous flowers. And moths or butterflies everywhere. Huh. Okay, well, if we go upstairs, we're going to be inundated. All right, I think I'm going to turn off my camera, and you can see the pictures. Huh. All right, I'm going to go. Bye. Okay, well, here's a room where they're not at, so I'll come here. Wow, so I guess he was a pipe smoker. Wow. His share of pipes and stuff. Cute little tables and chairs. I like the board table, or what do they call these things? Game table. Cute. The kitty cat. Wow, this is amazing. Look at this room. Wow. Huh, that's an interesting piece of furniture there. Wow. And the table's interesting too. And look at this one. This one's kind of neat too. Yeah, Art Deco. I guess it just is the way it was back there and back then. Huh. And And this stained glass is pretty neat too, to the windows. That's cool. Huh. Here's the ceiling, by the way. It's interesting on the ceiling how instead of being a 90-degree, you know, hard left, hard right, this is like a sloping, what, 63 or something, 60-degree angle or something. That's kind of cool. All right, I'm gonna turn off my camera. Okay, now the piano room. It's an amazing piano. Huh. Who did all these? Ballerina? Fried Paul? I don't know. Any of them. That is an old piano though, isn't it? Very cool. Oh, I like the ashtray too with the lobster in there. Huh. Okay. All right, I'm gonna be back. So it has cameras on all the walls. Interesting. Let me see if I can get out of here. I'll go this way. Sorry, man. Bye. Much matter. Thank you. Okay, so this one you can't go in, but this is their bedroom. Oh, now that's an interesting way to sleep. Feet to feet. Huh. Is that amazing? Look at that. I've never seen a bed like that before. Wow. Yeah, that's amazing. Huh. Yeah, no, that's very cool. Huh. And the bathroom. And so they just had a tub with a head on it, I guess. And a funky looking toilet. Look at the hardware. Huh. I bet you couldn't put toilet paper down that. What did you do back then in the day? Interesting. Okay. Interesting toilet. Oh, and this is the dining room, the kitchen here? No? Yeah? Okay. Wood burning stove. Look at the scales. That's amazing too. Wow. Are we happy that we live in the day we do? Amazing. And an old newspaper. Now, I have a friend that would absolutely love all those thimbles. How amazing. I guess they did a lot. I guess you had to do a lot of sewing back then. You just couldn't go to Walmart and buy a dress. You had to you had to sew it yourself. And then look at all the little threads and everything, and that's amazing. Cool. Look at this. This is amazing too. Wow. Look at all the scissors. That's really cool too. Huh. Very neat. And an old singer you had to pump with your feet. It probably wasn't a singer, was it? Yeah, probably not. Huh, very cool. I like the sink here. That's kind of interesting. That's all you got for a sink. Well, you take your stuff with you, I guess. And look at their view. What was the view of, everybody? The mosque across the street, or across the river. Not mosque, synagogue. I'm sorry. I keep calling it a mosque. Stop it, Eric. Jeez, get it right. Huh. And the porch is amazing too. Look at that. Can't believe I keep messing that word up. Okay, that's it, everybody. I love this stained glass too. This is phenomenal. I would love to do something like that in the house, wouldn't it? Wouldn't that be amazing? My mom did stained glass when I was growing up. And the door is amazing too. It matches the windows. All right, everybody. I'm gonna go before all those kids get done. Bye, everybody.